Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's March 28th, 2019, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm in Long Beach right now, and looking at this crap we're supposed to believe are clouds. They're actually trying to make us think that, guys. There's no moisture in this filth. Look at this. Look how foreign they look to our skies. What happened to the old puffies? You know? Look at this, guys. I've been watching the sprayers go. You'll probably see one in this video, maybe. Look over here. Look at that. Look at that. That's supposed to be a cloud. They actually think that we're dumb enough to believe that. Excuse me. Whoops. Yeah, out here. Where we got more? Oh, there's one. Yeah. Great looking, huh? So this is what they're telling us are clouds, guys. Not buying it for a second, but that's what they're doing. Look at this. Beautiful. Over in here. Nothing here is clouds, guys. Not in my book, they're not. Remember when kids used to draw the little puffy clouds? I would love to see kindergarten kids' version of clouds now. Because, boy, if they're drawing this, and they probably are, that sucks. Just take a gander at that. I mean, what is happening here? Okay, just had to show you the crippled cloud collection. Let's take a look. Oh, this one's attractive. Check that out. These toilet raisins never stop. Never. Always doing something weird, and this is it. Look at this. A lot of moisture in that, boy. Woo-wee! Okay. I guess I'll talk to you soon. Just had to show you the little designer cloud collection. Lovely. Oh, yeah. I'm falling for it. Wow. Oh, more up above. Beautiful. All right. I gotta go puke. Talk to you later. Very realistic right there.